In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from your savings account to your checking account with Bank of America, a process that's quick, easy, and efficient, especially using their mobile app. Whether you're saving for a special purchase or simply need to shift your funds, this guide will ensure you get it done smoothly. First, locate and open the Bank of America app on your iPhone. If you haven't already, download it from the App Store. Once you've opened the app, you'll need to log in. Use your online ID and passcode to gain access. And if you prefer convenience and security, you can also log in using Face ID or Touch ID if those features are set up on your device. This is the main entrance to where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom menu of the app. You'll see an option labeled Transfer, Zelle, R. Tap on this option to proceed. This will lead you to a menu where you have multiple choices for transferring funds. For this tutorial, select Transfer between my accounts. This option is specifically designed for moving money within your specific Bank of America accounts, excelling in simplicity and speed. Now it's time to select the account you're transferring from. Tap on your savings account. This will indicate the account you're moving funds out of. You should see a list of all your accounts. Just make sure to tap on the correct savings account if you have more than one to avoid transferring the wrong funds. Next up is selecting the to account. Tap on your checking account to set it as the destination for your transfer. Transferring funds from savings to checking can help you manage your daily expenses better, so this step is crucial to ensure funds end up where you need them. Once you've chosen both your source and destination accounts, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to transfer. Simply type in the specific amount of money you need to move. If there's a specific purpose or purchase in mind, you can optionally add a note or transfer memo for future reference. This can be particularly useful for budgeting or financial tracking purposes later on. After entering all the necessary details, you'll tap Continue. This will lead you to review all the details you've entered to ensure everything is accurate. Double check the amount and the chosen accounts so there aren't any surprises. When you're satisfied, tap Submit Transfer. You will then see a confirmation screen displaying the date and amount, and this ensures your request is being processed. Remember, transfers between Bank of America accounts are typically instant or completed within a few minutes, offering convenience and peace of mind. This feature helps you manage your finances with ease anytime you need to. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide made the process as simple as possible.